Hey, what, Tutoy? What? What? What?
Look at this
What?
wall.
What wall? Nothing wall. This is the wall.
What's this?
What? Hey, bro! Bro! Actually, we are late. Let's go. Sorry, boss, we are late.
Zombie late again.
Okay, thank you. Go. Blah, 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 and we are done. Okay. Well, let's go.
Hey, I have an announcement to you.
Go, boss, how's the announcement? What, boss, what?
You will going to the vacation in the mansion.
Whoa, that's right, Tutoy? Tutoy,
Ah,
that's right.
oo.
Oh, let's go now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go sleep now. And we need to pack our things. Okay. Let's go now. Hurrah. Tutoy, let's grab some iron. Hey, Toy, let's grab some iron. Let's grab some iron. Bro, who you kill?
Ito sana accident bro. Ito sana.
What? Then where are we gonna go to the iron, bro? Okay, let's just go to the mansion. Let's go. Accident. Hello, King. Let's go. God. Go. Okay, where are my room? That's Tutoy's room, and this is my room. Wow. What is this chest? What? Full. Full netherite armor and this pickaxe. Wait. Wait. Take mo. Tara na, uy. Uy. Tara na. Let's go. Kailangan daw tayo usapan ni ano. King. Let's go. Let's go. What? King? What, King?
You will going to be. You have a crime, you too.
What crime?
You Miggy, you destroyed the lake, and you Tuto, you killed the iron trader.
Bro,
Bro.
I'm not destroy the lake, bro. That's an asteroid. That's an asteroid.
I don't care. Let's go to the prison.
Let's go, Tutoy. You don't have crime. And you need to outfit the prisoner outfit. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Hi, kiddo. What's up, kiddo? Oh my god. Bad villagers here. What's your crime? Nothing, bro. Bro, that's a mean guy. Toy, what we gonna do now? Oh, I have a pickaxe. What's up? Okay, let's go. Gonna break this and go. Bro, I cannot break.
Give me.
Bro, just wait, bruh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, bruh. Here's a pickaxe, bruh. Give me. Let's go. Hey, alert, alert! The prisoner are escaping. Alert, alert! Hurry up, Totoy! Hurry up! It's being sneaky. Alert, alert! Hey. Quiet. Let's get our here. Bro, where we gonna go?
Here. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Alert! That's the prisoner! Hey, come here! Come here! Let's go, let's go! Wait, Totoy, Totoy! Let's go to your room. Hey! Hey! Let's go now. Where are you? Cannot fit. Take it. Toy, can I ride? Ay, be! Where are you, Totoy? Toy! We're the airplane, bro. Wait. Only one person? We need to across that. Okay.
Wait.
What? I need to across this. And make it be gentle.
Wait for me, bro.
Bro, how I gonna make this parkour, bruh? It's gonna be hard. Tuta, you have some blocks? I bet. I bet, bruh. Put some block to me. Go. So where are we gonna go? You. You. No. No. Bro, we stranded.
No.
Bro. Why?
We got up now, bro.
Ow.
Yo, what's that?
What is this?
Bro.
Bro. Okay. What we gonna do now?
I have done this because
Bro.
welcome to a battle. You need to place that soul sand or you will gonna die you too.
What? King?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's so
Oh my god. Back up!
wait.
Yo. What you find?
I'm gonna do this on the ground. So we can be
Safe.
not safer.
Hurry up, huh?
Okay.
Gonna be die, bro.
We're gonna play now.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Bro,
Wait, what?
didn't happen? On the wither.
3,
2, 1.
What?
What?
Wait.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened, bro?
Wait.
Oh my god. Bro, we are so long. And where you can escape from here because you have Electra.
Oh, okay.
What? What's the problem? What's the problem, Tutoy?
Don't know. But I will gonna do something. I have a TNT, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I will gonna blow this thing because it's so little. The space is so little.
Oh, yeah.
Hey!
Salita ka.
Wait.
Wait.
That's so close.
That's a big TNT, bro. Yeah. Bro!
Wait, bro, wait.
Oh my god. Almost. Bro, why it's going so long? Oh my god, bro! Bro. Go! Climb now, bro! Climb! Climb! Climb!
What happened, brother?
Climb! Oh my god, bro!
The most dangerous thing is done.
Oh my god. My god,
We
bro!
need to go under. Let's go, bro. Before the click to. Before the wheater goes. Get out.
Oh, sorry.
Go there. Go there.
Don't have a pickaxe, bro! He stole my pickaxe earlier!
Oh no.
Bro! Where's the meter? Ow! No! Kill it! I cannot see the wheel, bro! Oh!
Oh,
Bro!
get out there.
Get up!
There.
Back up!
Come on.
Oh!
Bro, come on.
Oh, sorry.
Go there.
Bro, what we gonna do now?
Get this stuff. Go there.
Bro. We gonna do it! Bro, I fell! I died! Oh my god.
Get that. Bro.
Bro, I gonna... We're gonna die, bro. Bro, I gonna die.
What's wrong, bro?
I can run him under the... Bro, call for help. Bro, where are you? Bro, where are you?
Where is it?
Kill the wither! I have low health.
I have no doubt, bro.
I am plenty of food. Bro. I'm climbing it now! Bro, where? Kill it!
Bro, you have a bow?
Yes.
Come on.
I find from my old pickup. Bro! Ow! Bro, may hungry.
Whoa.
Chill.
Look.
Oh my god! He is so fast. Cannot, you cannot hit him, bro. He almost dying. He almost dying, bro. If we kill the wither, we can kill the king. Kill it! Go! Go! Go in here, please! Come here! Please! Hurry up! Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a hole, bro. We cannot. Bro! I cannot hit him. Bro! Here we go. Almost dying. Bro, I cannot hit him. He's so fast. I hit him multiple times. Bro, you're almost killing him. Oh my god, Where's the wither? Where's the wither?
Underground.
Under the water?
Oh no. Fail.
Bro, I'm so lag. Bro, what we gonna do now?
Tapos ka.
Bro, where are you?
I got down.
You drowned? Where's the wither? Under the water?
Oh. Yeah.
Bro, he is not in here. Oh, yeah, right in here. My god.
There.
Oh my god, I'm drowning, bro. I'm drowning. Hurry up. Oh, I remember. I have some night vision in here. I gonna die. Bro, where am I? Where am I, bro?
Die. Bro, just die.
Yeah, kill the wither. Where am I? Oh, it's the water. Kill it.
Come on, Miguel.
Let's go, sir. Wait, I need the night vision. Wait a minute. God, he's attacking me.
Well, that's
Attacking. Oh my god.
come on, Miguel. Sword.
Sword him, sword. We're gonna almost die. Sword him. Bro, the dolphin die. Ow. Oh my god. Bro, I have no health. I have no health.
Wait, bro. Patay ako.
Bro, you drown. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. You need to respawn. I need to kill this witch. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. This is a full history, bro. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hey, bro.
You're here now?
Yes.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Hey, smoking.
You think? Bro, you're drowning. Oh my god. I not.
Come on, come on.
We kill it!
Yes.
Yes, we kill it! Our victory! Glad you killed the wither. Now there's a treasure in there. Where? Where? Game. Okay. It's a treasure box. It's in there. Go to Tutoy. He maybe know. Where's the treasure, buddy? Oh my. Oh. Doon ka! Oh, I kill you. Sorry.
Bro.
Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Bro. Bro. Eh? What?
There is.
Oh. There's two treasures. Oh. Where's the two? Maybe. What's the treasure? Here. Oh, thank you, bro.
Are you good at Elytra?
What?
Are you good at Elytra, bro?
Yeah. So let's go. My God, wait lang. Naman. Wait lang.
Nandito na ako ah.
Yes.
Well.
Wait for me. Lipad mo nga. Mapupunta ako sa tubig eh. Bro,
Ako pa na marunong.
where you go? Bro,
Wait, bro, wait.
wait for me. Bro. There we go. Oh my god, I died! Serious?
He died.
Okay, let's go to the king. Let's kill him. Well. Let's kill the guards. I will kill the king. Die! Kill the guards. Oh my god, why are you killing me? Yeah. You die. So I am the king. Kill the vice king. Okay. You're the vice king. I am the king. Correct that? Die. Kill. Die.
Yes.
Bro.
Ito yung mga barrier.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. We're gonna make a new video part 4. So this is the vice king and I am the king. I bet. Bye-bye. Ow.